Okay guys, so good evening. So sorry for the loss. A while ago, Miami plus 5.5, we lost 3 points. So our score now is 3-1, 3 win, 1 loss. So let's move on to this game. So my selected game for today to be featured is Minnesota Timberwolves versus Denver Nuggets. So I like these two teams. They're both hot. So they're both winning. So they are both contenders. But I saw something that I can take advantage of. So both these teams are gunning fast. More than 120 points per game both these teams. So but the Timberwolves had play recently versus the Kings. So they are going back to back. So I think the Denver Nuggets have the advantage, even though Timberwolves is slightly favored at minus 1.5. But I will pick the over and under here. So why over and under? Because both of them are fast team, over 120 points per game. So the over and under is 234.5. I think it can easily be done, or it's easily over because of the fast pace of both of these teams, especially when Jokic is on the floor. The face of the Denver Nuggets is so fast. That's why they I think they can score more than 30 points per quarter. So for me, over 234.5 is a good bet. So over 234.5. So that's all guys. If you're gonna gamble, please gamble in moderation. Do not spend money that you can't afford to lose. Pay your bills first before gambling. So that's all guys. If you have comments and suggestion to make my videos better, please comment down below. If you like this content, please like and share because it will help me a lot. Thank you guys.